A child's world, a canvas of dreams, now barren, robbed of all it seems. The sky, stars, and moon, a balm for a broken heart, yet desires, unquenched, tear us apart. The ones with power turn a blind eye, ignoring the class in need with a sigh. The country may seem prosperous and fine, but many kids go hungry, not a meal to dine. Our wings are clipped, and we are denied the freedom to soar. Our spirits yearn to fly free, but we are grounded forevermore. We are the symbol of genuineness and beauty. We are the defining factor of human civilization. We are the greatest creation in the universe. But our beautiful childhood world has been destroyed and left in a throneless state. Our lives feel like prison with no escape inside. Our parents carry the weight of the world with all their might. But if we can take some of that load, we might find our wings unfurled and we can soar towards a brighter light. Let us unite and join hands. No more burden of unnecessary tax demands. Invest in our children's future. Let's pave the way. Build a world of beauty and hope for them to play. We are ready, filled with love and knowledge, willing to go anywhere in the world, no corner untouched. Let's break all molds and think anew to understand the world and what we must do. We'll protect our rights and work with fresh ideas, marching forward to triumph over the darkness and its fear. A future world of beauty will be our prize, and we'll see it clearly with opened eyes.